In this part, we are going to discuss about colors. In Albanian, we say ngjyrat, ngjyrat. So let's have a look together. For blue, we say blu. For pink, we say rose. For brown, we say kaf. For purple, we say lejla. And for orange, we say portokalli. So once again, blue, rose, kaf, lejla, portokalli. Now for yellow, we say e verdh, but we say verdh just for the nouns that are feminine. I verdh for the nouns that are masculine. Të verdh if we are discussing about plural things, but for masculine. And të verdha for feminine, but plural things. And then we have the color green. We say jeshil for masculine and jeshile for feminine. Now we have red. For feminine and singular, we say e kuqe. For masculine and singular, we say I kuq. For masculine and plural, we say të kuq if you are talking about a bunch of things, and të kuqe, feminine and plural, if you are talking about a lot of things but that are feminine nouns. And for gray, we just say gri. For black, we say e zez, feminine but singular, I zi, masculine but singular, të zi, masculine but plural, so a lot of things, a bunch of things, and të zeza, feminine nouns and plural things. Then we have white. We say e bardh for feminine singular, I bardh masculine but singular, të bardh masculine but plural, and të bardha we use for feminine but plural. Thank you.